Hey guys, SD here again. I ordered some of this stuff a while back. They said it works better than the sodium hydroxide. This is potassium hydroxide, KOH. And I got 1 teaspoon. It's almost filled up at the top. And what we're going to do is put a little bit in at a time and see what happens here with the voltage. Voltage is dropping right down. 1540 something. I'll only put a little bit in there. Down to 10 something. That's not even a full teaspoon of it yet. Kind of anxious to see what this thing's going to do. Amp draws at 2. Voltage at the cell went to 9.13. You can hear these oscillations is a little bit different. I didn't even put that whole teaspoon in there. Voltage at the cell went down to 6 point. Still going down low. Amp draws a little bit below 2. Should have had my digital thermometer there to see what's happening with it. And this is tap water, not distilled water. And then putting it in there with. See if the voltage starts to come back up. Here we go. 6.2 and still climbing. We'll wait till it gets back up a little bit higher before I put the rest of that teaspoon in there. Amp draws almost 2 amps now. Voltage is still coming back up. It's right at, I'd say pretty close to about a gallon, a little over a gallon of water in there. Voltage back up to 8.2, 8.3. Go ahead and finish putting the rest of it in there. That's it. One flake. It's just 1 teaspoon. These guys are putting like 4 teaspoons in like a liter and a half. Voltage 5.2. Amp draws down to maybe about 400 milliamps. Let that run for a little bit. The voltage is already starting to increase a little bit. I watched a video of this one guy. He actually gets a container of the KOH and mixes it up, soaks the plates in there, excuse me, Then he'll soak them in a solution of white vinegar overnight, like 24 hours. And then rinse them off with distilled water and wipe them down on some towels. There's like a grayish matte finish that he says he looks for. It takes all the coating off that's put on there from the manufacturers when they process the stainless steel. And on one side there's like an adhesive strip paper that's always on there. Get all that adhesive off of there. It's really important to get the cells cleaned. Yeah, I'm just getting activity all over the plates now. Down here, this one plate I'm facing now. That's a negative plate on the outside. All over the plate now. Just bubbles everywhere. Voltage is back up to 7 volts. You can see in between the cells. Just pouring off the sides, and that's only not even really a full teaspoon. And the voltage is back up 7.2, and it's almost 1 amp now. So I'll let this go for a bit and post the results and see what it looks like in about an hour. Alright, we'll catch you guys later.